In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable carrier calculated shipping API in Shopify. We'll walk through this together right inside your Shopify admin, so you can start pulling live shipping rates from carriers or compatible apps at checkout. This is really useful if you want your customers to see accurate, real-time shipping prices instead of flat or estimated rates. First, log into your Shopify admin. Once you're on the main dashboard, move your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. There, you'll see the settings option. Go ahead and click on settings. This is where Shopify keeps all of the behind-the-scenes controls for your store, including your shipping setup. After the settings page opens, look at the left-hand panel. You'll see a list of different sections like payments, checkout, and so on. From this list, find and click on Shipping and Delivery. This is the area where you manage how orders get shipped, which methods are available, and which regions you support. Inside the shipping and delivery page, you'll see several sections for different types of shipping, like general shipping, local delivery, or pickup. What we're interested in is your main shipping setup, so look for the section labeled General Shipping Rates and click on it. This will open up a more detailed view of your existing shipping configuration. Once you're in the General Shipping Rates section, scroll down the page until you see your shipping zones. Shipping zones are the regions or countries you ship to, such as domestic and international zones. Take a moment to identify the specific shipping zone where you want to enable carrier-calculated shipping. This could be your main country or any region that you want to display live carrier rates for. Under the shipping zone you've chosen, look for an option or button labeled Add Rate and click on it. A pop-up window will appear, giving you options for how you want to define this new rate. In this pop-up, find the field labeled Rate Type. Click on that field, and from the options that appear, select Use Carrier or App to calculate rates. By choosing this option, you're telling Shopify to use a connected carrier or a compatible shipping app to automatically calculate shipping fees for customers in that zone. Once you've selected it, just follow any additional on-screen prompts specific to your carrier or app, then save your changes. After that, carrier calculated shipping will be enabled for that shipping zone.